Live from Lynchburg, Virginia, this is the McDermott Report. Our guest is computer expert and race car driver Bob Harmon. Coming up on today's show, the latest news happening right now. Congressman Ron Paul talks about Afghanistan, China, Rick Perry, and the Tea Party. Should prisoners have the right to vote? A Rockville news site abandons its home on the web to publish exclusively on Facebook. Is that a good idea? Should the FTC be targeting Google? What is a monopoly really? Are homegrown vegetables safer? Are people being scammed at farmers markets? Plus, two rants: the Targets, Radio Shack, and the Wall Street Journal. We welcome your calls. The number is 818-688-6625. This is the McDermott Report.